Welcome to my unboxing video. I've been having light challenge. If you live in Nigeria, West Africa, you understand light power energy is not stable, and it has been affecting me from creating good content. I always try my best to create clear content video so my audience, my community will enjoy watching. I don't like boring videos, blur videos because of poor lighting. So most times if I am shooting video or I am live, the light will just go off at the middle of the video. So I've been cracking my brain on a way to work around things to get it sorted. And here I have my DP power, duration power, that is the meaning, duration power bulb. It's 48 watts, 6000 mAh, meaning it's rechargeable. So let's unbox together and see how it works. So this is the new baby in the blog. Okay, with this I'm sure I'll be shooting video even when there is no light. And I've had, if you watch my video here, you notice I have a shadow behind me. The aim of getting this is actually to form a DIY RGB lights. So I'll be working that with this blue leather bag, nylon bag. Okay, so let's unbox together and see what's inside. Okay, wow. So here is the bulb. It's actually big. Yeah, just like it's drew here, it's same thing. And from what I am seeing here, it has indicator showing how many percentage it is: 25, 50, 75 and 100%. So, and this is the charging port and the power button. Okay, this is how it looks. It's actually very bright. So, and this can actually work with a power bank. I can actually power it with my power bank, so I am almost not depending on power anymore. So even if there is no lights, I should be able to create good content and post it for you guys to see. Okay, let's know the content, because on the, it shows that it has a rechargeable, okay, it's rechargeable LED bulb. It's LED bulb, 48 watts, 6000 mAh. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, yes, this is empty. Now it came with a USB cord, type B. It has type B cord and no socket. It didn't come with sockets, it's just the cord. Okay, let's power with power bank and see how it works. Yeah, it's connected, so I have to on the power bank here. Okay, it's actually showing the indicator and the level of the battery. So with this, I can actually kill the shadow behind, and I was told it has more features. Okay, this is dim, and the second dim. Okay, this one blinks for those that want to have blinking lights at the back, or to have it in front of them to use it as main light. This can actually serve. Okay, this is another blinking feature of it. Okay, and that's all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's all. So like I said earlier, I actually try to create RGB light. So let's see how it works. Okay, I have to put it in the bag. This is blue bag, so the aim is to have a blue light behind me. So let's see how it goes. So have the RGB light. So this light can actually serve as main light, backlight, or supporting lights to get the views well saturated. So I think this can actually go as backlight. So right now you will notice the blue color at the back, but actually the light is white. So I actually checked for the blue one, which I did not see in the market. So I got this around $6 equivalent, around $6 equivalent. So you can check it out anywhere. The aim is to have my backlight kill the shadow at the back, but with time I will set the light and walk around it. What is the name? The name is Duration Power, which is the main logo is DP. So you can check it out in the market, in the store around you, and it's 48 watts power, and power display is 6000 mAh. 6000 mAh is quite big. It takes time to work and perform for you. So if you are getting this and you're having challenges with lights, main light, or your backlight or supporting lights, I think you should go for this. It's a good product. I've used DP lights, DP fan before, and it performs very well for me. So I will highly recommend these lights for anyone that wants to get affordable lights that you can recharge. You can use it with power bank. Right now it's not on power bank, it's just, this is my power bank, it's not connected right now, it's on its own at the back here. So this is what I can recommend for anyone that is shooting on a budget. So if you are working on a budget, this light is what you can go for. So grab this light from anywhere you are. If you cannot get this particular product, I can drop a link on the comment section, on the description box, where you can get this. And if you can't get it around you, I don't mind assisting you get and deliver to your location. I don't know where you are watching from. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section, and let me know what you think about the light. So this is, does this serve as RGB lights? Can this serve as RGB lights at the back, or is it better off as front light? Okay, this is the light I'm shooting with now. Is the light I got from AliExpress. I've made the unboxing video. It's on my channel. I'll be dropping the link on the description box. So what do you think? Do you think my face is brighter with this light as main light, or do you think I should have it as the back light? Let me hear what you think on the comment section. I stand to be corrected, and my aim is to give you good quality view when you come back to watch the channel. Remember, my name is Olu Anthony. I create lovely content about how to make money online, and I do my live videos about marriages, relationship, and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, feel free to subscribe and be part of this wonderful community. I always bring good thing your way. You might like to share this video to help someone that is in need of this light, that is always having challenges creating content due to power outage. Okay, I have videos, live videos. I was on live, the light went off, so it wasn't funny. but I have to keep pushing. So I don't let anything weigh me down. So I always think of a way to get better. So tell me what you think on the comment section. Let's hear from the wonderful community. And don't forget to subscribe, like, click on the bell notification so you get notified when next I bring lovely content your way. And don't forget to tell on the comment section the content you would like us to deal on, the topic you will want us to deal on. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Cheers.